What is going on, guys? Dip and Diesel back. Part 2 of this series. It is putting on the 5-inch exhaust on my truck. You guys saw Wednesday's video. This is going to post on Friday, but Wednesday's video was taking off the 4-inch pipe off my truck, and then I welded on an adapter to part of the 4-inch. I didn't have the full 5-inch that went all the way to the turbo back. I had to use a little bit of 4-inch pipe, so I welded an adapter to the 4-inch pipe, and then I welded the 5-inch pipe to that adapter. So we got 4-inch turbo back, probably about 1.5 feet of 4-inch, and then the rest is all 5-inch pipe out the back. I did end up finishing it that night, but it was too dark to film anything. It would have looked horrible. But like I said, I did end up finishing it. I still have to tweak it just a little bit, just the back end. I'll show you that a little bit later. But here are some clips of what it sounds like. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I think it sounds really good. So here are the clips. Regular exhaust setup, that is what is on there right now. If you guys are new to the channel, I used to have a 4 to 8-inch diamond stack, so it was 4-inch exhaust from the turbo all the way to the bed, went up out of the bed to an 8-inch diamond stack. A lot of you guys like the look of that stack. I liked it. It just got real annoying. I had it for probably like 2 years, I want to say, maybe a little bit longer than that. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but I got rid of that stack 6 months ago, and I've had this 5-inch exhaust just sitting in the yard since then. So I finally went ahead and put it on this week, and we're doing some sound tests. I can barely even hear this exhaust, this regular exhaust, in the cab, which I like. I like being able to talk to someone. Usually you would have to yell for someone to hear you with a stack. So this is personally my favorite setup so far compared to a stack. Axle dump, I don't know. I never really liked axle dumps for some reason, and I don't know. It's one thing that I wouldn't do on my truck. Let me know in the comments below, what is your guys' favorite setup? Is it a hood stack? Is it a stack out the bed? Is it a regular exhaust? Is it an axle dump? Let me know in the comments below what your favorite exhaust setup is. And I'm curious to know what you guys think. Hold on. Let me flex real quick on my new freaking boots, dude. Woo! Look at them motherfuckers. Fish skin. Those are freaking sick, bro. Oh yeah. So this is the exhaust setup. Custom because I welded part of it. But like I said, I do have to finish tweaking this a little bit. As you can see, it's pointed a little bit up in the air. So all I got to do is that connection right there where the hanger is there, I just have to spin it a little bit just to get it so it's not pointed up. I don't know how well you guys can see it, but it's pointed up quite a bit. So I do have to tweak that a little bit, so I'll probably do that right now. I was gonna do a video on the sound difference between a axle dump and the regular exhaust setup, but maybe I will in the future. But let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see that. A lot of people say they like the sound of an axle dump better, or it's louder. I'm not too fond of an axle dump myself. I wouldn't put it on my truck. I'd rather have it like this, and I'd probably rather have it as a stack than an axle dump. I just don't like the look of the axle dump. But let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see that, a sound difference between the regular exhaust right out the back or an axle dump. I'm gonna hop onto the truck, undo that clamp, and maybe we can try and rotate this thing to get it sitting right. Actually, I think I'm gonna wait until Adam gets home. I'm not sure where he's at right now. His truck is here, but the Camry isn't. But I think I'm gonna wait until he gets home because I can't tell what angle it's at when I'm under the truck trying to twist that pipe. So we're gonna wait until Adam gets home. I'm gonna call him real quick and see what he's doing. Yeah, I'd rather have someone here to help me, you know, get the angle right and make sure it all looks good. Because I did it before, and that's how it turned out with me doing it by myself, because I can't see from the back end what it looks like. Let's go ahead and give Adam a call.
Hello?
Adam Jervis.
What up?
What are you doing?
I'm gonna be home in like fucking 20 minutes. So.
20 minutes, that's perfect, dude. I'm trying to, I'm filming this video of me showing off the new exhaust, and I need you to help me straighten it out.
Sounds good.
Alright, so I'll see you in about 20 minutes.
Alright, cool. I just picked up Tate Fellows so he can help too.
I just picked up what?
I just picked up Tate Fellows. The guy with the huge...
Oh, Tate, yeah. I'll see you in about 2 hours.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, bye. I literally said, he said 20 minutes, but I said 2 hours because usually with him, on New Year's Eve, we were gonna do shit at the house, and he went to dinner at 6:30, and he's like, oh, I'll be back at like 8:30. Well, 8:30 came, 9:30 came, 10:30 came, and he was like, oh, I'm coming, and then he didn't get home until about 3 or 4 o'clock. So yeah, but we should expect him in about 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. So we'll see you then. Sit right here, and then I'm gonna undo the clamp, and then I'm gonna rotate it. Hopefully it's not stuck on there from me driving the past couple of days, but.
Oh, so I'm just gonna rotate it that way, put the tip closer to the back wheel pretty much?
Yeah, so I'm gonna undo the clamp, and I'm gonna twist it this way, and it should pull it up closer and make this not as low. Hopefully. It's the plan.
Let's fucking do it. One more left.
Yeah, see it's loosening already.
Oh yeah.
Your ass is in front of the camera.
Oh shit. Moving you guys.
Still looks weird?
Yeah, it's still up a little bit, but not as bad.
How far out is it? Is it pretty far out?
It's pretty far, but if you cut it, it'll be fine. Here, you want me to hold it there? You can look.
Yeah, just grab the tip of it and hold it. I don't know if it looks better or worse from behind.
Watch, see if I could lower it a little bit.
That's hella far out there.
Yeah, but it's level right now, and it's not even far off of here. You only got like 1 inch right there.
I think I want to move it back just a little bit, because once I clamp it, it'll pull it up tighter to the bed.
No.
But
are you gonna put a tip on it?
Eventually, I might make one. I think it'll be pretty cool.
Hell, if it was tightened right here, you could even cut here and then put a fat tip, and the tip would still be out here.
What do you think, Adam?
I think it looks flawless. I think that as long as you
right here for now, I think that would be all right, because eventually I'm just gonna get a tip and you can just cut it off wherever you need it. I think it's tucked up pretty good underneath here. It doesn't look weird at all. I mean, it could be up higher, but
Take part of my fender to make it look good.
yeah, you guys seen the video. Garrett is the guy with the truck that I fucking ran into. Yeah, he doesn't want to bring his truck around here anymore.
It's not here.
It got stolen before. You want to tell him how it got stolen?
Not fucking really.
Adam, you want to tell him?
Well, it was parked in the exact same place as when Jonathan hit it. The exact same place. It was about 3 or 4 months ago. Yeah. There was a lot of people here, some drinking going on, and someone, a friend's friend's friend, you know how that goes, came out here and they claimed that they were so messed up that they thought it was their truck. And yeah, we came out here and Garrett's truck wasn't here, so.
They found him, what, like an hour away?
Yeah.
Yeah, they found him like an hour away.
I don't know how he made it. It's got his truck has a double salvage title and it was parked in the exact same spot from both times. It's for sale. How much are you trying to get?
Come get it.
But yeah, I think I'm just gonna clamp it up right there for now. Eventually get a tip and everything, so it looks a lot better. It's not angled up at all. Once I tighten it, it should pull it up closer to the bed. You can see there's a big ass gap, but I think if I tighten it, it'll pull it up closer to the bed, and it should look all right. Well, we tried spinning that pipe. It's sticking out quite a bit. Let me know what you guys think about that. I think it looks weird, but if I get a tip and cut it farther back and have the tip, I can basically put the tip wherever I want, just how far back I cut it. But it's not angled up as much anymore, and it doesn't seem to droop down over here as much as before. So yeah, that's the way the exhaust is gonna be. Let me start it up for you guys again so you can hear it.
Hey Jonathan,
But what?
I have a present for you.
So I got sponsored by Edge. I already have one. They're trying to give me this, but I'm just gonna giving it to Jonathan.
Nah, he's joking. I made a video so many months ago. I was talking about my Edge and how it doesn't work. Well, he got me his box, and I'm gonna finally send this motherfucker in because it doesn't work. It works, but the touchscreen don't work. I just needed a box to put it in. They're probably gonna look at this and be like, oh, it's not the same serial number, but it should be all right. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video. Let me start this truck up one last time for you guys. Hit that subscribe button if you guys are new. Let me know what you think of the new exhaust. You know, me personally, it looked kind of weird, but you know, I haven't had a regular exhaust like this in a while. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Jervis out.
That's what I'm talking about. Look, that shit just popped into reverse. You guys were like, oh, that story was bullshit. Look, it literally popped into reverse when we were sitting right here. And that's how my truck rolled into his truck. See that shit? Yeah, I said I was lying. Fuck.
Fuck. It rolls cool.
A little bit. Only a little bit.
Almost as much as a Duramax. No, I'm joking. That thing can't even blow puff.